to do very well in the exam, how to get more than 95%. If you want to do well, of course, then you need to remember whatever you have studied. But is that only enough? No, it's not. But suppose I get a twisted question, then I won't be able to write the answer because I've not understood well. So, understanding is also important. But sometimes students remember everything, they've understood, but when they see the question, they are unable to express themselves exactly whatever comes to their mind. They are unable to write it down. So they lose marks there because their explanation is not clear. So you need to also learn to express yourself and your views. All these three things can be sorted only following one technique. And that's exactly what I'm going to tell you in this video. Do follow this technique. You will score very high marks in your exam. Hi, I'm Ronja and welcome to my channel. And if you are new or if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. That's very important so that whenever I upload my video, you don't miss it. You get the message. The technique that I am talking about is known as Feynman's technique. Richard Phillips Feynman was an American theoretical physicist. And you know what? He won the Nobel Prize in physics. But this idea, this technique is not only for science students, it can be applied, you can use it for any topic, any subject. You know, Feynman was known as the great explainer because he could explain very complex concepts in very simple terms. Well, let me tell you about the technique. There are only 4 steps, and the first step is basically you decide which topic you're going to study. You take a sheet, write the name of the topic, and then you study. You understand it, you learn, you memorize, and you study the topic. Done. Now we move on to the second step. Now in this step, this is the most interesting one. You know, you need to imagine that you have a student and this student studies in grade 6. Now you need to teach this topic to this student. Now, why not grade 1 or why not grade 10? Why grade 6? Because this child will understand what you will be teaching, but of course you cannot use very difficult terms, very complex words. You need to explain everything in very simple language. And whenever you have a difficult word or difficult term, even if you know it, your student doesn't know. So you need to explain it to your student in very simple language. Why this? Why this idea? Because if you are teaching a class 6 student, obviously you cannot use difficult words. If you have to teach, then of course you have to remember everything. You can't see and teach. So you have to memorize everything. You have to remember everything. And you really need to understand well. Only then you will be able to explain well. So this step is excellent. Do it and you see how well you will do in the exam. Now let's move on to the third step. Now the third step is to identify the gaps. What does that mean? Very simple. Now when you have explained everything, you take your book or notes from where you have studied and you go through it and you see that were you able to say all the points? Were you able to explain everything? Suppose when you were explaining, you understood that no, I fumbled a little. I couldn't explain one part properly. So then now you go through it and you learn. So you understand your gaps and you rectify them. That's it. The fourth step is optional. If you want, you explain the whole thing again, or the parts where you made mistakes, you just explain those parts again so that your knowledge is thorough and you know that yes, I have learned everything. So you need to remember everything, you need to understand everything so that you can attempt difficult questions and twisted questions, and also you need to explain and express yourself very clearly. that also you will be able to do. All three are sorted if you follow this Feynman's technique. So what do you think about this technique? Do tell me in the comment section, and if you really like it, then do click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Please do click the bell icon, that's very important. At least once give this technique a shot. I know you will be able to do very well in your exam. All the best.